I've put together a manicure pedicure kit, so you will be able to easily maintain beautiful nails using my techniques. And the kit comes in a cotton pouch, and it contains 280 grit sponge file, that is to bevel the free edge. It also contains 10 thin wood boards, 180 to 140 grit. I also included a few orangewood sticks, which are great for gently nudging the skin around the nails. And you can also use the other end to clean up nail polish if you make a little mistake. It contains a manicure tool, and the one end you can use to nudge the skin around the nails, and the other end to remove a cuticle during a manicure when you're using the cuticle remover. These tools are great quality and they are very precise. The second tool is called Curette, and it's meant for pedicures, for cleaning the corners. You can see how I do that in many of my videos. Sometimes the corners are painful, but it's not because they're ingrown, it's just that they are impacted. And this tool I find very important, especially if you are a picker and the occasional hangnail drives you crazy. These nippers are strong enough to cut toenails, but precise to snip an odd hangnail as well. So it's kind of a two-in-one kind of tool. And the last but not the least, my skin and nail salve to keep your nails nice and protected and the skin around the nails elastic and healthy. This salve is not greasy, and you apply just a tiny bit and swipe it on the nails after washing your hands to seal moisture in and to replace stripped by washing lipids. It has so many benefits. You can absolutely use it while wearing nail polish because the skin still deserves care, and the polish can actually benefit from the oils because of their antioxidant properties. And oils can actually plasticize the nail polish to make it less brittle. The description and instructions come in both Spanish and English. And we pack each kit in a box with a nice paper, so when it arrives, it hopefully brightens up your day. These are also great as gifts. Hint, hint. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.